In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a pop-up in Klaviyo for your Shopify store. Pop-ups can be a fantastic tool to engage with your visitors, capture leads, and potentially increase your sales. Whether you're running a special promotion or simply aiming to grow your email list, creating an effective pop-up can make a significant difference. So, let's get started. Once you're logged into your Klaviyo account, take a look at the left-hand navigation menu. Here, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Sign Up Forms. This section is where all the magic begins. It's your go-to place for creating, managing, and editing any forms you plan to use on your site. After you've clicked Sign Up Forms, proceed to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says Create Form. Just click on that. Alternatively, if you're in the mood to explore a bit, you might notice an option called Browse Templates. Both paths are perfectly fine, but for now, let's focus on creating a new form. Once you're in the form creation interface, you'll want to filter by types. This step is crucial if you're specifically looking to create a pop-up. You'll see a filter option labeled Types. Click on it and then select Pop-up. This will narrow down the templates to only those that are designed for pop-ups, making your selection process much easier and more efficient. Now, you're ready to browse through the pre-built library of templates. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Take your time to explore different designs and layouts. Look for a template that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and the message you want to convey to your customers. Once you find one that fits the bill, click on it to select it. After selecting your template, you'll be prompted to create the form. This step essentially involves customizing the template to suit your specific needs. You can adjust colors, text, images, and other elements to ensure the pop-up aligns perfectly with your brand and the overall look of your Shopify store. Remember, the goal is to create something that not only attracts attention, but also encourages interaction. Finally, once you've customized your pop-up to your satisfaction, you'll need to add it to Shopify. This step is vital because it's how your pop-up will actually appear on your store. Klaviyo makes this integration process smooth and straightforward, allowing you to easily deploy your pop-up on your Shopify site without any fuss. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create a pop-up in Klaviyo for your Shopify store. Remember, the key to a successful pop-up is to keep it engaging and relevant to your audience. Whether you're promoting a limited time offer or collecting email addresses for your newsletter, make sure your message is clear and compelling. Thanks for watching and happy creating.